Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to download Adobe After Effects for free on your laptop, Mac, or PC. So the first thing that you're going to do is open your browser and head over to adobe.com. So I'll drop the link in the description. So once you're on the site, choose your country, then hit the Start Free Trial button. So you'll get three choices: individual, business, students, and teachers. So go ahead and pick individual, or unless you're using it for work or school. So this will give you a 7-day free trial of After Effects, and you might also get access to a free trial of Adobe Stock too. So click continue, then type in your email address. So it might autofill if you've used Adobe before. Then click continue again. Now fill out your basic information, including your payment method, so you don't have to worry about anything. You won't get charged right away. You can cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to keep it. Next, click agree and subscribe, and once you're done, you'll see a message saying your order went through. Then after that, set up your Adobe password if you haven't already. Then download the Creative Cloud app. That's the program that you'll use to install After Effects. Once it's installed, open it up, sign in using the same email, and go to the Apps tab. And then find After Effects and hit install. And that's it. You're all set to start using After Effects with your free trial. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to check out other how-to videos, and I'll see you on the next one.